Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Andrew. We've got a super awesome feature that I'm going to walk you through today, and that is our Printful integration right within GoHighLevel. Now, you can find this whenever you go to Settings and then Integrations, and you can see the Printful section right at the bottom where you can click View App and then actually install the Printful app in order to get started with a Printful integration. Now, if you've never used Printful before, Printful is a print-on-demand dropshipping company that allows you to sell products like apparel with your own logos and such on them. And now HighLevel gives you the functionality to actually integrate this within your own e-commerce store right on your HighLevel sub account. Now, not only is HighLevel releasing this as a brand new feature, but they are also releasing this within the new marketplace section. So you can actually head to the completely separate marketplace.gohighlevel.com where you can actually check out the Printful integration. I have to give a shout out to this because this is a super cool external feature that allows us to actually shop all of the different apps that HighLevel has to offer from separate developers and private companies. And now you can view all of these outside of the CRM. Now back in our sub account, again, if you want to install the Printful app, I would go to Settings and then click Integrations. And all the way at the bottom next to Slack, you'll be able to see Printful, Print on Demand, View App, and then go ahead and click Install. Once you do this, it'll let you know what permissions that the app is actually requesting for this sub account, and you can just click Allow and Install. Once you do that, it's going to take you to printful.com, where if you're logged in already, this will make things a lot easier. All you need to do is look over these permissions. It's just letting you know that it's going to be able to see store orders, store products, store files, and store webhooks. And at the bottom, you can select if you're going to create a new Printful store or if you're going to use this for personal orders. We're going to select create a new store, and then we're going to click authorize. Now, once we do this, Lead Connector or HighLevel will have access to Printful, and then we can log in via Printful to actually connect the two. Now, if you're not logged into Printful already, make sure you log in, connect to the correct store, and then you'll be able to add your products to this Lead Connector store. Now, you can add products by clicking this Add Product button right within Printful, and then you can either create new products, which if you've been using Printful before, you'll know exactly how to do from all of their different products that they have available, or you can get started with product templates that you've already created. So if you already have a store and you've sold any items like I have on my Printful account, then you can actually import those templates into your new HighLevel store, which is under Lead Connector. So don't worry, you don't have to create new products or redo anything whenever you connect your HighLevel to Printful. It's all ready for you to go. For me, I'm going to select these shorts that I have created right within Printful. I've already created and sold these before, and I'm going to go ahead and click Proceed to Mockups. This is where in the Printful process, if you're designing something new, it can show you what your mockups will look like. And if you've used Printful before, then this is all going to make a lot of sense. Now, if you're new to Printful, I'd recommend creating an account, going through the templates and creating one or two, maybe even placing a couple orders so you can get used to their process. Essentially, you select templates, you add on your designs, and then you can get mockups ready. For us, we're just going to do these regular mockups that they already have created for us, and then we're going to click Continue. Now, to finish out our first product that's going to go into our HighLevel store, we're just going to give this a name, click Continue again, and then we're going to give it pricing. Your pricing is up to you for any of your products. We're just going to set all of these to $30 USD. And then once it's done, you'll be able to see under your Lead Connector store, your first product is now in there. We can see it right here. We can see all of our different variants, and we can make any changes to this in the future under here. Now, if we ever want to get back to this screen to add in any products that are going to be specifically synced between Printful and this specific store, which is our HighLevel integration, you can go ahead and go to the Stores section, which you can also find on the left-hand side underneath File Library. And then once you click this, you'll be able to see Lead Connector Store. That is that new store that we have created. Now, if you're not going to be doing this with a public store, like we saw in the beginning, we can click Personal Orders rather than create a new store. But for us, since we are actually going to be using this on store, we did that, and now we have our Lead Connector store right here. We can add in any new products by clicking this button. You can also view the store by clicking this button here. The great thing about this integration is that as we add in products, as we change their titles, as we change their prices and such, this will all be synced with HighLevel because of this awesome integration. The only thing that isn't quite there yet is the descriptions, but everything else is good to go, so that way you don't have to manually import products or worry about syncing anything. Now that we have our first product in Printful in our quote Lead Connector store, which is our HighLevel sub account, we're going to go back to HighLevel, and then we're going to head to Payments, and then we're going to go ahead and go to Products, where we can actually see this product and make sure that it has officially been imported. Once we're here, you'll see that that exact same men's recycled athletic shorts, that product has been imported directly from Printful. It has the same name, same photos, same amount of variants. And if you want to make any edits to this product right within HighLevel, you can click the three dots on the right, click Edit, and you can edit this just like any other product. You can see here that there's no description. As I said, the descriptions aren't going to carry over quite yet, but our media is included, our variants are included, and our pricing that you saw earlier, that $30, is included as well. Now, if you want to sell these products on a HighLevel e-commerce store, which is exactly what this integration is for, make sure you switch on that include in online store. So that way, whenever you create your site, you can add these products specifically to your e-commerce store. Now, that's super important because one of the best features of this integration is that our products, as you can see here in our template HighLevel store, can be listed and purchased from our HighLevel store. So as you can see, I didn't have to do any work on this store. It added to my product list when I flipped on that switch. And now our product from Printful is officially in our store. And if we click this, we can go ahead and see the different variants that we have, and as well as the price, which is here. And then we can click add to cart and of course, purchase the product on our HighLevel store. Now, the other awesome feature of this is that once we check out on our HighLevel store, this order is going to sync with Printful and go over into our store to be automatically fulfilled. Now, depending on your Printful subscription and your current settings, some orders will be automatically fulfilled and some will have to be manually fulfilled by you. But regardless, they will all be synced within Printful and you'll be able to see them at your store screen. In addition to this, customer information like shipping addresses and email notifications will also be imported over into HighLevel so you can manage everything efficiently from your CRM directly. Now, I'm sure your mind is just spinning thinking about all of the awesome possibilities that you can use Printful for when integrating it with HighLevel, so let me show you a couple of my favorite use cases. Now, a really basic way to utilize this integration to its fullest extent is by using the Opportunities tab, where you can have orders that come in, go into an order placed column, and then move to the order fulfilled. And you can also use this to coordinate with members of your team, perhaps. And then you can also use automations to send out reviews and track whenever you have received reviews from your customers. Of course, in automations, if we open up a new workflow, we still have that trigger of orders submitted, and we can actually still use that with the global product filter, selecting our product is that product that just got imported from Printful. So that will automatically drop in here. We can now use that with a workflow, and now we can launch a workflow off of whenever an order is placed from Printful. We can use this to notify team members, launch automations to receive reviews, maybe give out shipping updates, and anything like that. You can even use this to create an automation like this, where after an order is submitted, it waits a week and then sends out a review request so that you can accept a review from a customer after they have definitely received the product. A couple of things to note just before you get started with this is obviously double check any products that you have before you publish them on Printful or in HighLevel. Make sure that their titles, descriptions, and images are updated, because once they are live, then people can purchase them, and in some cases, it will automatically fulfill. Make sure you've also carefully gone through the product templates that you're using through Printful, as some are only available to ship to certain locations. So if you have clothing items that maybe are only available in the US and Canada, make sure to add things on your website in HighLevel in order to specify that to customers so you don't have to deal with any refunds. All in all, this is an awesome feature that I'm going to utilize a ton, and I hope you can as well. And I'm super pumped to see where HighLevel goes with even more integrations just like this. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, thank you so much for watching.